In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a daily event on your iPhone. This is a really useful feature if you have a task or activity that you need to do every day. To get started, open the Calendar app on your iPhone. It's usually located on the home screen, but if you can't find it, you can use the Spotlight search feature by swiping down from the middle of the screen and typing Calendar. Once you're in the Calendar app, tap on the date you wish the event to start. Then tap the plus button in the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a new event form. Now, you need to enter the details of your event. Write the title of the event. You can also enter additional information, such as the event location, a description, and attendees. Tap on Repeat. Tap on the Daily option. This will set the event to repeat every day. Once you're finished entering the event details, tap the Add button in the top right corner of the screen. The event will be saved to your calendar. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to set a daily event on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.